Today on this video I'm gonna show you why when you turn on your signals the flashers are blinking so fast. Just like this vehicle here is 2007 Kia Spectra. Look what is happening. When I turn on the left side signal, everything is working fine, but wait, when I turn on the passenger side, look what is happening. The blinkers are flashing so fast, and this can happen to any vehicle. It doesn't matter what you're driving. Today I'm gonna show you why this is happening, and we're gonna solve it once and for all. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and stay tuned. So in most cases when this is happening, one of your bulb is burned out, either passenger side or driver side. And in order to find out which one, let's go ahead and walk outside, and we're gonna start from the rear and test the turn signal. This is the the driver side is working, and the passenger side is also working, blinking so fast. The hazard is also working well. It's normal. You have noticed that on the passenger side is blinking so fast, but the bulb is working fine. So let's go ahead and move the front and see how is everything going on the front. Turn signal on the driver's side is blinking fine, but on the passenger side it didn't blink. So let's put a four-way. So this bulb right here, as we have seen, this bulb right here, the turn signal is not working. So we're gonna go ahead and change out the bulb, and we're gonna take it out and see what's going on, put in a new one and see whether it's gonna work. So in order for us to access the signal bulb, we're gonna have to get the bonnet pop-up. So let's get it open, and let's get the access on the socket that's holding the turn signal bulb, which is gonna be right here behind the headlamp. It's in a tight spot, but here is a socket right here, this white one. So in order to take it out, we get hold of it. You're gonna have to work your way in and get hold of the socket and turn it counterclockwise in order to get the bulb out. And here it comes. It's in a tight spot, but it's easy to get out. So in order to get the bulb out, you need to turn it counterclockwise, and it's gonna come right out. So this bulb, the filament is burned out, so we're gonna go ahead and change with brand new. The brand new ones comes in pairs, because it's recommended when you change one, you change even the other one. So to install the new one, it's easy. Just line up with the tabs and turn it clockwise. And before we put it back, let's go ahead and test it. Notice it's blinking the normal. That's the normal blinking, so it doesn't flash the way it was flashing before. So put it back the same way you took it out, but this time you're gonna turn clockwise in order to lock it in place. And then from here we're gonna go inside and also test the flashers from inside and see whether it's gonna be flashing the normal, or it's still gonna be blinking so fast. So that one is good. Let's go ahead and test the flashers from inside. right. The left is good. The right side, which was flashing so fast, is now blinking normal. And that's how we solved our issue, by changing the passenger side turn signal bulb. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeff Cowboy. Next video is coming up very soon, so ring that bell.